What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we have 3 waves out of 5 that was completed at that moment, and I've told you that most likely we have to have next leg to the upside in order to complete the entire movement, and we had very good confluence with the top of our resistance right here, with the top of our channel and with the 0.786 Fibonacci extension range, and it is the range when I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the very bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the fourth wave. At that point it was the lowest point of the retracement, and so far we broke this range. This means these targets are invalidated, and I have to admit that for now we are in the middle of 2 ranges, and these ranges are crucial for this asset. And I will show you why it is so crucial in my technical analysis. But for now, I have to admit that this is, I guess, third or fourth my missed forecast for the Tesla ticker out of 20 videos made. And you can watch the entire compilation of my videos in the description below or on your top right corner. And you can prove it by yourself that you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence. So let's continue with the news that was the reason of this sell-off. First of all, let me show you this. On February the 10th, we have this article that Tesla accused of racial discrimination in California suit. And let me quote you this. Tesla was accused of discrimination and harassment of black employees by the state of California in a lawsuit filed on Wednesday. Definitely it is awful news for Tesla, but it is not the only bad news that drives the price of this company down. And I have to say that most likely this news wasn't directly reflected on the movement of Tesla stock to the downside, because we have, in my opinion, much more important fundamental news that drives the price of entire markets down. And first of all, let me show you this. On February the 10th, we have this article that inflation reaches 40-year high, January CPI posts 7.5% annual gain. And let me quote you this. The consumer price index released by the Bureau of Labor Statistics Thursday morning registered a 7.5% annual gain in January. Consensus economists were looking for 7.3% rise according to Bloomberg data. This represented the fastest rise since 1982, as well as an acceleration from the 7% year-over-year increase seen in December. Definitely it was one major bad fundamental news for the company and for entire markets. And let me show you the second one. Right here, if we will take a look on a heat map of S&P 500, we can see that all of the companies are in red except energy companies. And definitely it is the result of a potential invasion of Russia into Ukraine territory. And unfortunately, it is really upset for me because I live in Russia, because I don't like this policy of my country. And let me show you right here. On Friday, all of the markets closed in red. S&P 500 lost about 1.9%, Dow Jones lost about 1.43%, Nasdaq 2.78%, Russell 2000 about 1%. And only crude oil added about 0.86%. That's why we have this bearish pressure and this movement to the downside. But let me show you one amazing news. Right here on the institutional investors list, we have these latest filings, and it was made on 13G/A section, and we have 2 biggest institutional investors right after the Elon Musk, and it is a Vanguard group and BlackRock. And let me show you that Vanguard added about 8% to its position on February the 10th, and it was the file date, not the date of execution this trade. And BlackRock added about 5.67% on February the 8th. And definitely it is a very good and massive sign, bullish sign for the company, that these two major investment firms added to its position, and for now they own about 62.44 million shares for Vanguard and about 52.91 million shares for BlackRock. And the value of this position is $53.7 billion for Vanguard and $45.5 billion for BlackRock. Definitely it is the major bullish sign for this company, and we have to admit that a lot of institutional investors still buying the Tesla shares. And let me show you right here. This is the institutional ownership of this company, and as you can see, a lot of institutional owners are buying the Tesla stock during last 3 months, and in my opinion, it is a very good sign. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that for now, with this movement to the downside, let me show you more thoroughly. We have the overlap of the fourth wave, if it is the fourth wave, if it is still the fourth wave. We have an overlap on the territory of the first one, and as you can see, for now we have this range of support, and I marked it previously. And as you can see, Tesla is extremely technical asset, and you can watch in my compilation video. And for now we have 3 major key levels. First of all, it is the level of support that we found for now, and it is the price point of $851.71. Next one, it is the top of our third wave right here, and it is the price point of $947.19. And the third one is the bottom of the movement, and it is the lowest point at the price point of $795.6. And I have to say that if we remain bullish from this range, if we won't break this support, and we will break this resistance, let me mark it for you, this one, we will confirm that Tesla is still bullish, and we will hit again probably the range, the upper resistance of our channel at the price points of roughly $980. But if we will break this support and even this one, this means we will continue our journey to the downside, and on a greater scale we will have this entire correction wave as a potential triple combo wave. And I have to say that in this case we might see much longer consolidation phase, and we might have much lower prices. So definitely this point is the crucial for now, and we shouldn't break this lowest point of the retracement. And as long as this pivot holds, our targets are still the same, I mean our long-term targets. And it is the previous all-time high at the price point of, let me switch to 4 hours time frame, at the price point of $1,240, and it is the confluence with our 0.618 Fibonacci extension range. Next one is $1,337. Next one, $1,486, and this range is near the psychological number of $1,500. And the most aggressive price target is $916, and it is also near the psychological number of $2,000. And I have to say that these targets, especially two most aggressive, Tesla might achieve in a matter of 12 to 18 months, and we have to remember it. So, I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!